Hello guys, today in this video we are going to do an unboxing and review of an electric lighter which I recently purchased from Amazon. It's from the company Easy Life. So I got it for around 900 rupees in Amazon. If you like to purchase it, I'll be providing the link in the description so that you can purchase. So now without wasting any more time, we'll see how the product packaging looks. So there was a plastic covering when I bought it. So other than that, nothing was there. And this is how the back looks like, and this is how the front looks like. Front, you can see there is a company logo or whichever brand logo they have given. So back side, you can see there is an orange texture kind of leather, artificial leather kind of texture to it. And this is matte finish. It looks kind of good actually. So now without wasting any more time, let's open the product and see how it looks and what and all we get it with this. So see, after opening, the first thing which you can see is they have given a user manual. So you can see what and all is given in the user manual. So the instructions you can see. The back side, they have given double arc lighter, voltage, and how much battery is there. You can see that. After that, directly you can see the lighter itself. There is an Explorer logo given to the lighter. So I'll remove the lighter and keep it aside for a while. Now we'll check what else we can find inside the package. Okay, so first thing which you see, they have given a USB-C type charger, normal USB-C type charger. Then they have also given a tag which you can lock the lighter and you can hang it in your neck or bag wherever you want. So yeah, this you have to tie it there. I hope you people know that. Same like the one we'll get in ID cards and all. So that is the only thing which you'll find in the package. Now the main part, we'll take a look at the lighter itself. So it comes in a transparent plastic casing. So it has quite of a weight to it. So it's about 66 gram. For 66 gram for a small lighter like this, it is quite good, I feel. I was just curious, that's why I checked it. So now without wasting any more time, let's see how the lighter looks. So in the front you can see it is a transparent casing, plastic casing, and there is an Explorer logo, and down you can see they have given the COB LED. So in the side you can see there is a push button. Mostly when we push it, this lighter opens up like this, nothing else. And there is some grips they have given. In the behind there is a holder, so that you can put in the pocket or whatever it is, you can hold it like this. So in the other side there is a hinge they have given. So when it opens up, this will be used as a hinge, I feel. And there is a power button they have given. One button is there, and in the top you can see that there's transparent casing. Below you can see the arc lighter components which used to make the arc, and the down nothing else is there. So I'll press it and see. Okay, there is a safety mechanism they have given, that's why I'm pushing, it is not opening. So you can see that there is a safety mechanism. Accidentally if it opens up or something, I feel they have given this latch, so you have to first disengage this latch. So this is how it opens up, and then once it's open you can see that there are some switches inside also. So this one is for the arc lighter, I think it lights up when we press it. And here is the USB-C type charger. So we'll take a look at the lighter ones. So when mostly if charge is there, once I press it, it should arc. Yeah, you can see that. Damn, it looks really good actually. It looks good and weird at the same time, because we are normally used to seeing flame. So I'll try to light this thing only with this. Oh, I'm not going to light it too much because it will be difficult for me to take down the flame. So but you people understood how it works. See, in 2 seconds the lighter has flamed, it has produced flame. So that is it about the lighter. And I think this is the LED. Yeah, when you're charging also, mostly this LED will give some red light mostly, I feel. So that is about the lighter. And there is a rubber gasket they have given. You can see that rubber gasket they have given, so that it will be airtight. You can put in water also according to them. So after putting the latch, it won't open at all. And I think this switch is for the COB LED. The first one is the high brightness mode. One more time you press it and then press it, the low brightness mode will happen. The third time when you press it, the flashing one. If you want to, some emergency, you want to get noticed or something, you can use this. And one more press, it will turn off. Yeah, that's it. See, this is the 3 modes. I will turn on the light. So for the price, this product looks really good actually. Even I am quite impressed by this product, and it looks also really good. So if you're going for a camping or you're going for an adventure trip, this is quite handy to keep it with you. And it can go through a bit rough and damage to it, because since it is made up of, actually the plastic is not a cheap plastic, actually it's very thick. I think it's a polycarbonate plastic or something. It's quite tough actually, and it has airtight seal also to it. So if you go to any adventure, it is a go-to companion, I will tell you. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. And any doubt about this product or anything you want to know about it, you can always put in the comments section below. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.